We're getting a strong wind warning. That was okay, that was quite a successful flight, kind of. Anyway, we're going to go out for a walk, aren't we, mate? Yeah. We're going to pop out and got me a little drone here, so I'm going to fly my drone. Oh, I can almost touch it. Take a bit of a trip around the old town of Swindon. Get the drone up in the air, go and have a look at the Lawns estate around there, some lovely parks up there. Have a look around Christchurch, and just basically that part of the town just gives you a bit of an idea of where I live. It's hard to believe really that this park here is almost right in the centre of Old Town, in fact. Take the drone up and have a quick look. Alright, there's Christchurch down there. Just going to have a little look at Christchurch, shall we? Hey, she goes. She goes. She goes. Once again gives you an idea of where we are, our location. It's quite blowy up there, I'll tell you. Right. Quite a nice shot going through the archway there up towards the house. Let's see if I can do it, shall we? Pretty good. fly over the lake. Spin around. You can see how much weed's in there now, look. It's all the weed. Somewhere down there's a GoPro. Push it back a bit more. I gotta do something rather drastic, I'm afraid, and that is go into shark and crocodile infested waters. How are you? You alright?
Oh,
yeah. You okay?
yeah, good, thank you.
Yeah, we're good.
Oh wow, is that this?
The robot, yeah.
Okay, right. That was it then. All good. Got my drone back in one piece. There was a moment, I don't know what happened, but there was a moment where my mobile phone just completely just went blank. It just went black screen. Slight panic because, well, fortunately enough I could see my drone. It was only about 50 or 60 yards away, but if that would have happened maybe, you know, half a mile away, because these things can go for about 10 km, you know, in the line of sight, but if that would have gone, you know, anything more than 500 meters or something, then I think I would have been struggling to get it back. That's wonderful, thank you very much. Brilliant, that's great, cheers, appreciate that.
About everything?
That's great, thank you.
Lovely.
Have your bacon and I'll wrap my sausage and egg. Eat your heart out, Aid Larson. Drink your heart out, Aid Larson. Eat your heart out, Aid Larson. Eat your heart out, Aid Larson. That one there, I reckon. Eat your heart out, Aid Larson.